Okay, wanted to make a quick video to show you about laminated tooling. Some of you probably have seen it, but this is an example of it here. And you see these parts that have, sort of an awkward shape to them. And you can finagle that with regular tooling, but this is really the way to go. Model up a profile of the part and the tooling to match it, and then cut it out of laser cut 1/4-inch plate, 3/16 plate, whatever you need to do. You can leave a little valley like that's shown here and then weld it up, or you'll see some other examples of where a hole is placed, maybe a couple of holes, and then some threaded rod inserted to hold it all together. And then lastly, if you plan to do production work with it, you can add these ground and hardened steel dowel pins from places like McMaster-Carr. And this is my buddy Mike Owens, long-term friend, that came up with this for a product that he was doing that he needed several hundred of them to make. And the cool thing about it is, not only is it custom to make the part, but here's a batch of the parts, but it speeds up production because you get more than one bend done at the same time. So here's an example here of it. And the guys at Triple P Ranch, you may remember this one right here from a couple months back, sent me a recent video of them using a laminated die on their 10-foot 220 dun to bend some 3/4-inch plate.